Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's new Clean With Me. We are going to be tackling some complete disaster messes around the house for all of the cleaning motivation, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that this video gives you a ton of cleaning inspiration. In today's video, I am also going to be sharing a sneak peek of our latest home makeover project, and I am filming all of it for you. So if you guys are ready for a Clean With Me and a sneak peek of a home makeover project, give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button for a ton of cleaning motivation every single week. And of course, super fun home makeover projects. I hope that you guys enjoy this, and I am so excited to get this video started and share a little sneak peek with you. First thing on today's to-do list is to take care of some of this mess downstairs. There is confetti all over the floor, all over everything. It is everywhere in this house. We just celebrated a birthday over here and we had confetti balloons and they got popped. So we're gonna take care of the confetti. We're gonna pick up some of the toys downstairs, and then we are gonna move on to the complete disaster that is upstairs. It is such a hot mess because we have been working on the bathroom makeover, so there's stuff all over the place. And I am so excited to bring you guys along on this bathroom makeover journey because it definitely needs an update and some upgrades, and I'm gonna bring you along with me for the whole thing. So I hope that you guys enjoy that. So let's get this confetti cleaned up so that we can move on to cleaning up upstairs.
Hold me close, keep it tight, love me good through the night.
Now let's work on taking care of this hot mess. The upstairs is a disaster. It is just a disaster. There's stuff everywhere. There's toys everywhere. We have flooring everywhere. We have tools, like all the things that do not need to be out are out, and we're gonna clean them up today. I'm gonna start by cleaning up all of the toys in the loft because every time I walked up the stairs, it was driving me absolutely bonkers. So we're gonna take care of that. I'm gonna put all of their racetrack stuff in this bucket that it always stays in, pick up all of the cars, pick up all of the random toys and put them back in their home. And we are also going to purge some toys that we don't need any longer, like all of the little balls that I find all over the house. So we're gonna take care of everything, pick it all up, get it all nice and straightened up upstairs in the loft, and then we will move on to cleaning up the bedroom and go from there.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. My hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like.
Now I am going to move on to cleaning up my bedroom. I am going to start by stripping all of the bedding off of my bed because it needs to be washed desperately. And then we are going to pick up everything on the floor. In the middle of filming this video, my actual camera that I usually use was completely destroyed. It flew into the wall with a tripod, so bear with me. The new camera is on its way, but today we are going to get to cleaning. I did not want to leave you guys hanging, so we're working with what we got, and we are going to strip this bedding, get it thrown in the wash, and get that taken care of because I use self tanner and it got on the sheets, honey, and it was gross. So we're gonna throw all of the bedding in. I am gonna be using the Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean laundry detergent. I picked it up from Costco and it seems to work really well for our family. My daughter has very sensitive skin and it does not irritate her. And I'm also using the Kirkland Ultra Soft Laundry Softener. That also does not irritate her skin, which I really have enjoyed because I've been able to actually use laundry softener with her. And now let's get to picking up the room. I have some tools that need to be picked up. We have extension cords that need to be wrapped up, flooring that needs to be put back in the box that we are no longer going to be using, and we're just going to pick up the random stuff on the floor in here that my kids have left behind, like rain boots, toys, all of it.
To say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you.
We are going to move on to cleaning up our master bathroom, and this is a bathroom that is getting the bathroom makeover. So here's a little sneak peek of what we've got going on. We are going to be doing a huge bathroom makeover in here, and I am so excited to bring you guys along with me on that journey. You guys seem to love the kitchen makeover, so I hope you love this bathroom makeover just as much. Like I said, we are nowhere near complete with the bathroom makeover, but I wanted to share a little sneak peek with you guys, and the bathroom just really needed to be cleaned up, so we are going to get that cleaned up. I am just going to be using a glass cleaner to clean up my vanity and clean up my mirrors. This glass cleaner works great as a multi-surface cleaner too. It doesn't just do glass cleaning. So if you're questioning why I'm using it, that is why. It gets the sink really nice and cleaned up, and it gets my countertops cleaned up really well too. And to clean the toilet today, I'm just going to be using a bleach spray to spray the actual toilet seat down, and Clorox cleaning bleach gel to clean the toilet bowl itself. It works really great. This is my go-to cleaning product for cleaning the toilets. So a great tip that I learned from one of you on here leaving me the tip in the comments was, once you are done cleaning your toilet bowl, just leave the brush resting in the clean toilet, kind of like hanging over the toilet bowl so that the water can drip off of it, so that when you go to put it back in whatever you store your toilet bowl brush in, it is not leaving a ton of water. I have like a little bowl that I put mine in, and letting the toilet bowl brush dry before putting it back has eliminated having that excess bleach water in there.
Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine, believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight, get into that good time.
And to clean the shower today, I'm just going to be using that bleach spray that I used on the toilet. It was a mixture of bleach and water, just diluted because I ran out of my Clorox spray. And I'm just going to be using an old sponge and scrubbing all of the gunk and soap scum off of our shower.
Yeah. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
I'm gonna get to work on the kids' bathroom. I am embarrassed to admit how long it's been since I've cleaned up their bathroom, but we're gonna take care of it today. I'm gonna start by cleaning up their bath toys. I'm gonna put a little bit of that diluted bleach in their bathtub with some cool water. I fill the bathtub up a few inches, and I just let their bath toys soak in there while I get to cleaning up the rest of the bathroom. And then I go back and rinse all the toys really, really well after I am done cleaning the bathroom. But we're gonna get these soaking so that I can work on the rest of the bathroom, get clean bath toys for the kiddos, and we are just gonna be using the same products that I used in my bathroom in their bathroom today. And as you can see, this is the flooring that we were working with in our master bathroom that we are currently getting rid of. So you get a little preview of what that bathroom looked like before and what it looks like currently in the middle of this bathroom makeover. But we're gonna clean the kids' bathroom, and then we are going to move on to cleaning up my son's room. His room is such a hot mess. We have to clean the closet, we have to clean up his entire room, organize everything. It's just a complete disaster in there.
Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. I believe it. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Yeah. Maybe you got me. believe in the magic. I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand.
So after rinsing and cleaning up the kids' bathtub, I'm gonna go back in with some Barkeeper's Friend and try to remove some rust spots that are on the bottom of their bathtub. And we're gonna see if this actually works at removing rust in the bathtub. So I'm gonna put some on the damp tub and just let that sit for a moment, and then I'm gonna go in with a sponge and work my way around and try to remove these rust spots, or at least fade them a little bit. And while I was doing it, I noticed that it wasn't completely removing the rust spots, but it did fade them quite a bit. So if you have any product recommendations, please leave them down below to remove these rust spots in the bathtub, because while they're not really bothering anyone, they are just really unsightly and they bug me. So we're gonna try to get these taken care of. So let me know what your rust remover recommendations are.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
My son's room is a disaster. The closet is way worse than his bedroom, so we're gonna take care of both of these today. There are a ton of toys that need to be put away and cleaned up, and his closet just needs to be completely cleaned up and reorganized. So we are gonna get to work on that. The first thing that I'm gonna do is try to clear up some of this mess on the floor in the closet so that I actually have room to work on stuff in here. And then we are gonna organize the toys. We're gonna put all of the dress up stuff back. We're gonna hang the clothes back up properly, and we are just gonna get everything back in order.
back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, look back at this summer night.
My son's closet is kind of like the main toy storage area because it is a giant closet for one child. So we store all of the toys in here. And I have this metal drawer set that I like to use to put all of the dress up stuff in. I put their puzzles in there, I put their Legos in there. So for now, I'm gonna start putting the dress up stuff away. And in one drawer, I have the stuff that they wear on their heads, like their hats or their headbands and stuff like that. And I'm also going to be hanging up any of the costumes that I can to try to eliminate having so much stuff in the drawers. And then we also have a bunch of capes and masks and stuff for the kids that I'm also gonna put in the drawer lower underneath the other stuff that I had already put away. We're gonna organize the puzzles and try to get all the puzzle pieces back together so that we can put the puzzles away and they can actually use them in the future. Pick up all of the Duplo Legos and put them back in their bag, so everything is super easy for them to find when they want to play with something, and everything is put back in order. now to work on actually cleaning up my son's bedroom. We're just gonna pick up all of the pieces of Legos that he didn't get around to. He did help me out and clean up all of the Legos while I was in the closet cleaning all that stuff up. And then I'm just gonna pick up all of the random toys that are all over the place. My son and my daughter love to get all of the things out and then just kind of just leave them everywhere. So we're gonna pick all of that up. We're gonna put the stuffed animals back in their basket. We're gonna straighten up the books, and we are just gonna finish straightening up this room so that it is looking nice and is not a complete cluttered mess anymore, and you can actually walk through here.
Little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away.
We are gonna vacuum the entire upstairs now using my Shark Rocket vacuum. This is honestly one of my favorite vacuums ever. It works really, really well. I've had it for almost 2 years now, and it has not lost suction power. What I really love about it is that the filters in it are washable so that you can just wash those out. You don't have to keep buying new filters all of the time. I had a vacuum in the past that just needed filters to be completely replaced all the time, and that was such a pain because they're not cheap. So I love my Shark Rocket vacuum. If you are in the market for a new vacuum, definitely look into this one. I believe it is under $200 when it's not on sale, and when it's on sale, you can find a really good deal. I got mine on Black Friday a couple of years ago, and it has held up so well. It will be linked in the description box in my Amazon favorites if you guys are interested in it or you want some more info about it. That is just a super easy way to click on it and find it.
Take me away. I ain't afraid. Calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Across the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. Afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer.
So we are gonna finish cleaning up. We are gonna clean up the stairs, get all the stuff and the laundry off of the stairs and bring that down to the laundry room, swap over the laundry and get that all taken care of so that we have some nice fresh bedding on our bed. And I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and gotten a ton of cleaning motivation from it. Thank you guys so much for being here and for watching my channel. It really means the world to me to have you all here. I love making all of these videos for you guys and creating content for you. So let me know down below if this is your first time here and what kind of content you would like to see on my channel, whether this is your first time here or not. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you again so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you got some cleaning motivation from it, and do not forget to stick around and subscribe if this is your first time here. I would love to have you guys stick around for more cleaning motivation every week, and of course home makeover projects, because I've got a ton of them on my list. We are moving on to working on the bathroom makeover, and then we are going to move on to working on other projects. So hit that subscribe button and stick around. Have an amazing day, stay safe and stay well, and I will catch you guys in the next video. If you need more cleaning motivation, click on one of these videos up here on this screen.